All right, it's a brand new day. Yesterday we hit the high point of Rhode Island, and today we're currently en route to Mount Frissell, the highest point in Connecticut, or well, technically the south slope of Mount Frissell. That's what they call it, because the actual mountain is in Massachusetts. I'm excited. This is going to be an actual hike to get to this one, so we're going to spend probably a couple hours here. We're en route now, should be there in like an hour or so, and we will see you there. We have arrived at the trailhead for Mount Frissell, the high point of Connecticut. I think we're ready to hit the road, or hit the trail, I should say.
I'm ready to hike some damn shit.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
It's fresh.
What is it?
Blood.
We're on the hunt. This hill that we're climbing right now is not Mount Frissell. It's called Round Mountain. We gotta summit this hill, then descend on the other side, and then head up Mount Frissell. So it's not like we're just going straight up 800 feet from here. We'll reach the summit in about another 200 feet.
We can see a diddly bit of nothing.
This is great. We're almost to the top of Round Mountain. What a wonderful name for a mountain. Sir, what do we call it? It's round, ain't it?
They're zooming in here to more dramatic pan.
Alright, checking in. We were at the summit of Round Mountain. There's the cairn to signify the top. And it is absolutely gorgeous up here. Mount Frissell is right there. And what's funny is right now we're in Connecticut, but somewhere during our trek over to Mount Frissell, we'll cross into Massachusetts, because the summit is in Massachusetts. But the high point of Connecticut is on a southern slope, somewhere over there, which is clearly taller than we are right now. But this is really, really cool.
Wait a minute, we're supposed to be going uphill, not downhill.
I wonder what kind of wildlife they got around here. They probably got bears.
tell you what right now. This mountain's starting to piss me off because we've been climbing this bitch of a mountain and we've gone down. We literally went down. And now guess what? We're going back up again. Jesus Christ.
We're at the summit of Mount Frissell, but we're not done yet. This is the summit of this mountain is in Massachusetts currently. We gotta head that way and start going down on a different slope to reach the high point of Connecticut. All right, and just like that, we have made it to the highest point in the state of Connecticut. This is the south slope of Mount Frissell. Selden's working on getting the little box. There's the Karen to show it. And I mean, we were like right on the edge of Connecticut. Literally, like, just past this is Massachusetts. Like, that's just really funny. I mean, we couldn't be more on the state line. This was a great hike. I do wish we could see more from the summit of this mountain and from this little slope lookout. There's a nice little spot over there, but it's still really, really nice. This was great. Got here in about an hour and a half. This definitely beats out Rhode Island, for sure. There's the point. Boom. Just like that. 18 down, 32 more to go.
Look at that. They took a little Polaroid of themselves and they left it in the box.
Aw, that's cute.
I'll be taking that.
What? So, here we are back in the car. We didn't really record anything going down because pretty much all our cameras died. But overall, pretty great high point. The hike was great. The views from, you know, as we were coming up the mountain, especially on Round Mountain, were really, really cool. And I mean, it was just fun. And that's only the first one for today, so stick around for more. What'd you think overall on the Mount Frissell?
Mount Frissell was pretty nice. I liked just the up and down and climbing up the rocks.
The rock scrambling was a lot of fun. It was.
I mean, otherwise, it's kind of sad that some of the high points we didn't get to see as much, but there was a couple really nice breaks where we got to see a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree. So, all right. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned because, I mean, again, we're still keeping at it. So, peace out.